to the lovely audience on the Perfect Achievers Award Season 5 and the Perfect Mrs. India 2020. So first of all, I would like to thank you, each one of you, and I really want, please have a round of applause for yourself first, guys. Well, that's a lovely audience. काफी कहना मान रही है starting में. So because of this COVID situation, the scenario is so harsh. Still, we managed to cope up with this event and the beautiful, perfect Mrs. India 2020. So I would like to thank Perfect Women team to organize an amazing, magnificent event. Every year, we are getting better and better. So Perfect Women team, it is established in 2011. It's been a decade now. We are working hard to promote talent, to give awareness about lifestyle and Bollywood, and also promote new upcoming talent to the industry. So first of all, tonight we have 12 finalists for the Perfect Mrs. 2020 and also Achievers Award ceremony. So let's begin the show. Are you guys excited? No, not yes. Are we guys excited? So, okay, hello, namaste, namaskar, swagatam, suswagatam, abhinandan, kem cho, sat shri akal, assalamu alaikum. My name is Uday Rajveer Singh and I'm an official host for the Perfect Women, and I welcome you on the behalf of whole Perfect team on this beautiful show that is a Perfect Mrs. India 2020 and the Perfect Achievers Award. So can I have a round of applause, guys? So Perfect Women team is always believe in empowering women and promote a new talent. So tonight we have lots of awardees to acknowledge the remarkable contribution of them towards the society, entertainment industry and lifestyle. So I request Dr. Khushi ma'am, can we have you on the stage? The chief editor of Perfect Women magazine, the lady behind the Perfect Women team. Thank you so much, ma'am, for the amazing show, and it's my honor and I'm truly honored to be again a part of Perfect Women team. And I would like to know more about your future and future about Perfect Women magazine.
Hello everyone. First of all, thanking each and everyone present out here for your presence, because it is really very big honor for us, because in this COVID crisis we are still into a working weather, but it is great to see you everyone here. No wonder the light is too high, but I cannot see everyone, but you all are there in our heart. Thank you so much for being here. And when coming back to Uday Rajveer, he is the official host. He has come down all over from Delhi for us. So I really thank him to be a part of Perfect Women as usual. Thank you so much.
So, ma'am, let's start with the award ceremony. We have the one awardee for the Perfect Fitness Expert. And to acknowledge and felicitate the Perfect Fitness Expert, I request our jury member, Mrs. Aruna Sharma ji. She's a social activist and a perfect woman. She's also in a modeling, and she firmly believes age is just a number. If you have a confidence, you can win anything in this whole world. Can we have a round of applause for our social activist and the perfect woman, Mrs. Aruna Sharma? Ma'am, we welcome you. Please, few words.
I'm so glad to be present over here. I would like to congratulate Mrs. Khushi Gurubai Thakkar. It's a very big platform for the ladies, and she gives them a platform to empower them. She makes them strong, and the ladies, they get the confidence and they move forward in life, and I'm one of the example. Thank you so much.
So, can we get an award? Can we get the Perfect Achiever Award? I am not sure. Yeah? Okay. So, I request, can we have our perfect fitness expert, Ms. Shweta Bhavsar, on the stage, please? We would like to know the experience of your fitness journey for the Perfect Women team and its association with the Perfect Mrs. India 2020. Beautiful, ma'am. So, few words, ma'am, please.
Hello all, this is a splendid evening and it's very proud to be associated with Perfect Women team. It's been a wonderful experience and I really thank to the team, because it's just because of them that they push up women, they empower women, and that's the reason we are here. And this gives us more and more opportunities to move forward and get more successful. I hope we are all together forever. Thank you.
Wonderful, ma'am. Ma'am, we would like to know some fitness tip, how you maintain yourself, how you maintain the healthy lifestyle. Few tips to all the audience and our lovely perfect Mrs. finalist.
Okay, so this is the best thing. It's very simple. I just follow a regular fitness routine of 1 hour. That can be anything like going to a gym, going for a walk, doing any sort of dance. And of course, the more important I feel is your diet. So I am a nutritionist as well. So I always suggest to have a very healthy and a very perfect diet, and especially for the women, because I always believe if you are fit, your family is completely fit, because they are more dependent on us than the men.
So, ma'am, आपको क्या लगता है एक दिन में कितना मिनिमम पानी पीना चाहिए और पानी का महत्व कितना है?
I guess water is one of the major ingredient, and I suggest to have at least 3 to 4 liters of water, so that it cleans our toxins and we are more fit.
Beautiful. So, ma'am, do you believe in Zumba, dance class, or bodybuilding?
I'm a fitness freak and I do Zumba, body combat and spinning.
I'm a Zumba instructor as well.
If everybody wants, हम एक म्यूजिक पे इन दोनों का जुम्बा कंपटीशन करवा दे थोड़ा सा. Yes, ma'am, can we do that? Guys, would you like to see the Zumba steps? Yes? Yes? Perfect. Sir, कोई भी हम ढूंढके वाला गाना चला देते हैं. Any. So this is the Zumba lesson of the Perfect Achievers Award by our perfect fitness expert, Mrs. Shweta Bhavsar. Come on.
The sun and the sand and the sea and the night, and we're feeling alright, and we're feeling alright.
One, two, three, four.
गलती बेहिसाब करे दो पल की जो नींद उड़ी आ पूरे सारे ख्वाब करे क्या करने हैं उम्रों के वादे ये जो रहते हैं रहने दे आगे दो बार नहीं एक बार सही एक रात की कर ले तू यारी सुबह तक मान के मेरी बात तू ऐसे सोचना जी आज हे घुंघरू टूट गए हे घुंघरू टूट गए.
Wow, lovely. Lovely guys. मेरे ख्याल से 200 कैलोरीज बर्न हो गई होगी. So I request, can I get the award for the perfect fitness expert to none other than our fitness coach and the amazing Zumba teacher for tonight, Miss Shweta Bhavsar. Please, Salman. This is the acknowledgement by the Perfect Women team for the remarkable contribution in the fitness industry by Mrs. Shweta Bhavsar. I request the awardees, please go to the media bite after winning the award. You wanna say a few words?
Sorry?
few words after winning this beautiful trophy. Before the New Year Eve, you become a, I guess, amazing trophy. Oh God, ooh la la. It's a beautiful trophy, guys. Isn't it? Wow. Few more words.
I actually have no words, but I would like to thank my husband who is present here, and it's just because of him that I am here today. Uday, can you please come here?
Wow, lovely. वो कहते हैं ना हर एक मर्द के पीछे एक वुमेन का हाथ होता है, लेकिन आज के टाइम में अगर मेन वुमेन को सपोर्ट करें तो मेरे ख्याल से वुमेन बहुत बहुत आगे जा सकती है. Truly honor, sir. You're doing a fantabulous job.
Thank you. Nothing to say. She is very hard working. So I have to stand behind us. And she is now here in front of you, all of you guys. And I want to say every woman in our India that they need to believe themselves. मतलब उनको उनके ऊपर विश्वास करना ही चाहिए. अगर वो है तो खुद उनका फैमिली पूरा ही उनके साथ रहेगा. कोई सपोर्ट करे ना करे, आप जब उसके कामयाबी आप जब हासिल करते हैं ना, तब वो आपके पीछे पूरी दुनिया भागती है. और ये आज उसने प्रूव करके दिखाया है. आई एम वेरी प्राउड ऑफ यू नाउ. आई कांट से एनी सिंगल वर्ड नाउ. थैंक यू ऑल ऑफ यू गाइस.
Thank you, Mr. Bhav, sir. Means a lot. Please be seated and enjoy the rest of the show. No, remember we need you more. And I request Mrs. Alfia Bhol as a perfect clinical nutritionist. She's also been a recipient of the Perfect Achiever Award Season 5. So can we have our perfect clinical nutritionist, Mrs. Alfia Bhol? We welcome you, ma'am. बहुत बहुत स्वागत है आपका.
Thank you so much.
Few words, please.
Sure. Hello. It's just wonderful to be here, and encouragement of any kind for whatever work you do, it feels great because you put your heart and soul into building a business. I'm a clinical nutritionist and dietitian. I've been practicing in Mumbai since more than 10 years now. My clinic is called Nutrial. It's also an online clinic, and it's just nice to be recognized by Perfect Achievers Award, and I'm really grateful and honored to be here today. Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
So, can we get the award for the perfect clinical nutritionist? And I request Dr. Khushi ma'am, please felicitate to the awardee. Because we are middle in the searching for that with your name, right? Perfect. So can I get an award, please? Single one trophy. Okay. Wow, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this is the Perfect Achievers Award for the perfect clinical and nutritional, for the remarkable contribution in the clinical and nutritional. Thank you, Mrs. Alfia Bhol. You're doing a fantabulous job. We request you to please strike a pose with a beautiful trophy. And I request all the audience, we need your support because we have a very limited crowd right now and we need a motivation from all of you guys. Thank you for being a great audience. Thank you, ma'am. So there is a next awardee for the Perfect Exporter of 2020 for the remarkable contribution towards the success in the business of export. So can we have, ladies and gentlemen, the Perfect Exporter of 2020 on the Perfect Achievers Award. Here we get the lady in red with a beautiful red mask, because mask hai zaruri. Wow, round of applause for the lady in red for the Perfect Exporter 2020 on the Perfect Achievers Award. आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है मैम.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Few words मैम.
I don't have words right now. I'm speechless. I have my brother with me and my niece. So I will really thankful for them. They came for me here. And this industry, I really don't know what should I say, but I'm in this industry since last 10 years. Yeah, the Perfect Woman Day, I really have been very thankful for the Perfect Woman organizers. So they have selected me for this.
The Perfect Exporter 2020, Mrs. Seema Palke, and I request the Chief Editor, Dr. Khushi ma'am, please felicitate her. Yes. I request the brother of the awardee, Seema Palke ji. Can we have you on the stage, please? Wow. Can we have the brother on the stage? Can we have your brother, please? What's his name? Can we have Shivaji, the brother of Seema M. Palke? Can we have you on the stage, sir, please? Wow. भैया बोले राखी के बंधन को निभाना. सर कैसा फील हो रहा है आपको? प्लीज सर फ्यू वर्ड्स इन मराठी आपकी सिस्टर के लिए, आपकी सिस्टर की जीत के लिए.
याच ठिकाणी आलेले सर्व उद्योजक यांना सर्वांना माझा साष्टांग नमस्कार व आयोजकांना सुद्धा आयोजकांचे सुद्धा हार्दिक स्वागत. आज याच ठिकाणी माझी बहीण भारतात नव्हे तर परदेशात जाऊनसुद्धा आपापल्या बिझनेसचा जबरदस्त प्रचार करून व आपल्या प्रोडक्टबद्दल अनेक देशामध्ये जाऊन आपल्या माहिती देऊन आपल्या उद्योग कसं वाढेल व आपल्या इंडियाला कशा प्रकारचे इंडियाचे प्रोडक्ट बाहेर जातील याचा विचार करून ती आपापल्या प्रोडक्टवर लक्ष देते. त्याबद्दल मी तिचे हार्दिक स्वागत आणि हार्दिक अभिनंदन करतो. जय हिंद, जय महाराष्ट्र.
जय महाराष्ट्र sir. Thank you so much. Thank you ma'am. Congratulations for being a recipient of the Perfect Achiever Award Season 5. So guys, ज़िंदगी में कुछ पाने के लिए हमें बहुत कुछ खोना पड़ता है. वो कहते हैं ना कि to achieve something that we never had, we need to do the things that we have never did. तो ज़िंदगी में कुछ भी पाने के लिए कहीं ना कहीं डिज़ायर होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. Is that right? बिना सपनों के, बिना डिज़ायर के हम कोई काम तो नहीं करेंगे क्योंकि हमें बहुत पता ही नहीं कि हमें कहाँ जाना है. Is that right? अगर मेरी बात आपको राइट लगे तो बोलना यस, और अगर रॉन्ग लगे तो भी बोलना यस. चलो ठीक है. मैं यहाँ पे कोई परफेक्ट मिसेस इंडिया का कोई भी एक हस्बैंड आया हुआ है जो हाथ खड़ा कर सकता है, जो फाइनलिस्ट के हस्बैंड है. यहाँ पे ऑडियंस में भी बैठे जो फाइनलिस्ट के हस्बैंड है. सर मुझे थोड़ा लाइट के चक्कर में कम दिख रहा हूँ. आवाज बोले कि यस मैं हूँ पतिदेव, मैं हूँ पतिदेव. अच्छा किसको, कितनों के पतिदेव हो? मैं चाहता हूँ सर आप मुझे, आपका हाथ मुझे सबसे पहले दिखा. आप प्लीज आइए स्टेज पे. वाओ, कंग्रेचुलेशन सर. आपकी वाइफ फाइनलिस्ट है. आई गेस आपका बहुत सपोर्ट और बहुत योगदान रहा होगा. सो सर आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे परफेक्ट वुमेन टीम के बारे में, इस इवेंट के बारे में, ग्रूमिंग सेशन के बारे में? आपकी वाइफ जब तक यहाँ सर आई है उसमें कितनी इम्प्रूवमेंट आई?
First of all, I would like to thank to all the organizer who has provided this kind of platform, because we need this kind of platform. Okay, and yes, my wife is truly dreamer, achiever. Okay, so she dreamed, and now we are here, and she is a finalist, so she is achieving something. Yes, that's.
So sir, आपको कितने साल हो गए शादी को? Please come in the center line. आपको कितने साल हो गए शादी को? वैसे बोल सर कह रहे don't remember. फाइनल आपकी कंटेस्टेंट का नंबर क्या है?
7.
लकी नंबर 7. आज बहुत जूते पड़ेंगे. चलो थैंक यू सो मच सर एंड ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट. So I thank to all our sponsor and special our makeup artist Ojas Rajani. She is doing her makeup at the backstage. So can we have a round of applause for our beautiful makeup, our gorgeous artist, Ojas Rajani. So there's a next awardee on the Perfect Achiever Award. So I request the next awardee for the recipient of Perfect Achievers Award Season 5 for the Perfect Wellness, Dr. Asmita Save. So can we have Dr. Asmita Save, the Rejoice Wellness. Welcome you ma'am and congratulations being a recipient of the Perfect Achiever Award. Few words.
Oh, I am really, blank because it is amazing to be here. Thank you to Perfect Women team for awarding me today. And these awards are definitely motivation. As we all know, in professional life, there are only exams, no official report cards. All the smiles on my patients' faces and when their health reports are improved and their diseases are cured, yes, those are the report cards that I get on everyday basis, but these awards are like an official report card, I can say. So I'm like really grateful. Thank you. Congratulations. Thank you so much.
Check. Can we have the award for the Rejoice Wellness? Please, please. Aruna ma'am will facilitate. Yes.
Yeah, so since he's busy, I'm basically a homeopath and nutrition life coach. I'm also an acupressure therapist and a Reiki master. So at Rejoice Wellness, it's been 7 years now, and we are treating people for weight loss, curing a lot of metabolic disorders. I have a lot of patients whose diabetes and blood pressure is reversed. They're off their medications, so yes, that feels like an achievement. And we also have a lot of people who come to us for weight gain, for skin treatments, for homeopathic detox medicines. So it's all in one solution kind of a thing. So I feel great being there at Rejoice Wellness.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Congratulations. Can we have the award for the Perfect Wellness, the Rejoice Wellness? Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you, Aruna, ma'am. Please, ma'am, be seated. And we welcome you. She's a jury for this tonight event for the Perfect Mrs. 2020. And she's also been a jury to the talent round for the Perfect Mrs. India 2020. He's been also been a jury for the Perfect Mrs. India 2020 in the talent round. So round of applause for this amazing gentleman. We welcome you, sir. Yes, sir. Please, sir. A few words.
I cannot see anyone. Anyways, I can express myself. I've been associated with Perfect Women for about 5 years now. And what I have seen, I'm like an advisor to them. They have grown very big in this last 5 years. And I believe that is the entrepreneurial spirit of Dr. Khushi Thakkar, backed by her husband and her sister-in-law, Dr. Geet Thakkar. They have from one event, Perfect Miss India, they grew to Little Champs, Mrs. India, and they are looking forward to some more things in the coming year. She is, in my opinion, a real entrepreneur. She is organized a lot of lives who have moved forward. They are all having a lot of confidence to face the world, and I would say she deserves the biggest trophy, and that would be a big round of applause for her. Please give her your hands.
Wow.
Thank you very much.
She's the perfect woman behind our
Yes,
magazine.
she's a super perfect woman, I would say.
So sweet of you, sir. And we really thanks to the MD also, the perfect man behind the perfect women team, that is Mr. Gurubhai Thakkar, sir. He's been an amazing, he's running this enterprise organizations almost at 10 years now. More than the shows like Perfect Champs, providing the platform to the kids from the 5 years to 13 years, to the Perfect Mrs. India, Perfect Miss of India, and the Perfect Fashma exhibitions, lifestyle shows.
I will now inspire them to maybe introduce a new thing, perfect team, perfect Mr. and Mrs. for the coming years. Maybe this is a good idea.
Because-
They can have a bachelor's लोग को तो छुट्टी होगा.
Sir, I believe teamwork is a dream work. And
कहते हैं ना, behind every successful man there is a woman, and I think this is the perfect example of Mrs. Gurubhai Thakkar and Gurubhai.
sir, even I am waiting for my successful woman. I don't know when I'm going to get her.
You will have plenty of them.
Plenty. तभी तो sir successfully will be. Anyway, thank you so much, sir. So I request the next awardee, Mrs. Rakhi, for the excellence in fitness. Can we have Mrs. Rakhi Rajadhyaksh for the perfection in excellence and fitness, please? Round of applause, ma'am. And congratulations, today you are going to be a winner for the excellence in fitness on the Perfect Achievers Award Season 5.
Fitness, like you people have not been training people in terms of yoga or something. That is something different ways. So kindly share.
Sure. I'm Rakhi and I'm in this field for last 14 years in fitness world. But I have been training people who are coming to me with injuries. I'm a corrective specialist also, and I have done spinning course, rip-off training, and I'm doing power yoga classes at YMCA Agripada for last 14 years, and I take online classes also. I have people who come with back injuries, knee problem, and I am a master trainer. I have been training them and results are too good. They are.
I am one of them because here she is not a person who has been training people who wants to go ahead for the weight loss or weight gain or something. She is specialized for those specific people who have injuries and she has cured it. So people suffering from back pain for 15, 20 years and they've been suffering and been traveling to different doctors, but she is the one who has given the best of the results. So I really appreciate her, the way she has been treating her patients. Congratulations for this.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, and I am very grateful for Perfect Achievers team who has selected me for this, and I'm very blessed and humble for what they have
Congratulations,
done.
ma'am.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, sir.
Truly an honor, ma'am, to have you. You truly deserve the Perfect Achiever Award 2020. Please have a walk with Khushi, ma'am, please. Sir, please walk with the winner of tonight. संतोष है आइए आइए जब मैं छोटा बच्चा था मैं बहुत शरारत करता था, बट मेरी मम्मा ने कहा कि बेटा जिसकी आंखों में जादू है और ज़बान पे काबू होगा ना और चेहरे पे मुस्कान होगी तो ऑडियंस उसके लिए तालियां ज़रूर मारेगी। तो शायद मेरी आंखों में जादू दिख रहा होगा या ज़बान पे काबू होगा। मैं चाहता हूँ कि एक बार ज़ोरदार फराटेदार तालियां उससे स्वागत हो जाए हम सभी के लिए। थैंक यू सो मच। और कभी भी किसी भी मंच पे पहुंचने से पहले, चाहे कोई बिजनेस करता है, चाहे ज़िंदगी में कोई कुछ अचीव करता है, सबको कहीं ना कहीं एक डेडिकेशन और कंसंट्रेशन बहुत ज़रूरत होती है। इज़ दैट राइट? क्योंकि विदाउट फोकस एंड विदाउट कंसंट्रेशन यू कैन नॉट अचीव एनीथिंग इन दिस वर्ल्ड। अगर डेडिकेशन होगा, डिटर्मिनेशन होगा और उसके लिए अगर आप डिवोटी होगे तो मुझे लगता है कि नथिंग इज़ इम्पॉसिबल इन दैट सिनेरियो। यू ओनली नीड विल टू विन and will to survive. That's what we taught on the Perfect Women magazine and the Perfect Women events. And that's why we have the 12 finalists across India, more than 5,000 applicants, and today we have 12 finalists for the Perfect Mrs. India 2020. We aim to provide a great talent to our great nation India. So that's why, ma'am. So that's why we also have tonight the Perfect Mrs. India 2018 finalist. She's a social activist and a great dancer. Can we have Mrs. Santosh Kataria? Can we have Santosh Kataria, the Perfect Mrs. India 2018 finalist? Wow. She's been a part of Perfect Women. We welcome you, ma'am.
गुड इवनिंग ऑल ऑफ यू। अचीवर अवार्ड में मुझे सिलेक्ट किया गया, इसके लिए मैं बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद करती हूँ। स्पेशल गुरु भाई ठक्कर जी का, खुशी मैम का और ऑल परफेक्ट टीम्स का। थैंक यू।
And tonight, ma'am, you are also awardee on the Perfect Achievers Award 2020. So I request Alfaz sir and for the Santosh Katari, the Perfect Mrs. 2018 finalist, our 2018 Perfect Woman is here. So can we have the award for Mrs. Santosh Kataria as a perfect social activist. Few words for her.
She is Santosh Kataria and she is one of the contestants from the year 2018. Sorry.
So ma'am, this is your trophy, the beautiful trophy, and wow. So you're going to be rich tonight, huh? I see some Kohinoor and diamonds on it. So can you have a walk and just... So tonight we also have the winner of... So last year 2019, there was an event that is a Perfect Miss of India 2019 and have the crown owner, Miss Shruti Jain. She's been an epitome of the perfect woman and the crown. Your life has changed after becoming the crown owner of Perfect Miss.
Perfect Miss 2019, and I'm very thankful and Khushi ma'am for changing my life, and it's my passion already to being in this industry. Thank you ma'am, and thank you Geet ma'am also. Thank you.
So, आपको यहाँ पर आकर ऐसा क्या फील हुआ, आपकी लाइफ में ऐसा क्या चेंजेस आए, या आपको क्या लगा कि यार मेरी लाइफ में इन चीज़ों की कमी थी, मुझे इसमें अपने पे हार्ड वर्क करना था, या इन लोगों से मैं इंस्पायर हुई, तो आपको ऐसी कौन सी चीज़ दिमाग में खनकी कि यार मुझे यहीं पर ही आना है?
Because as I saw Geet ma'am, she's a doctor by her profession and I am also an architect by profession. but still she is following her passion in the film industry. Like her, I also want to follow my passion, and that's what I am doing, and she inspired me a lot. Thank you.
So we request you to be on a stage for a while, and we request that you should felicitate on the Perfect Achievers Award Season 5.
Thank you.
Yeah. So would you like to sing for our audience? Any song? No? You don't sing? You have any story to tell? Okay. Awardee. So the next awardee जो मेरा सबसे फेवरेट होता है प्रोफेशन, दैट इज फॉर द शेफ. क्योंकि अच्छा खाना अगर नहीं जाएगा तो मेरे ख्याल से कभी ना कोई काम कर पाएगा ना खुश रह पाएगा. इज दैट सो मैम? आपको खाने में सबसे ज़्यादा क्या पसंद है?
मुझे पनीर टिक्का मसाला
और कोल्ड कॉफी, मिल्क शेक, नींबू पानी, लेमन सोडा, रेड सोडा, मसाला लस्सी, प्लेन लस्सी, तीखा लस्सी, ग्रीन टी, आइस टी, लेमन टी पसंद. अच्छा, यहाँ पे मैम मैं आपसे जानना चाहता हूँ. पाव भाजी. और आपका? ऑल चाइनीज. मैं तो चाइनीज को बैन कर चुका हूँ. आई होप चाइनीज फूड भी बैन हो जाए यार. So we have the perfect chef tonight, and our Miss India 2019 will going to felicitate her with the Perfect Achievers Award trophy. So can we have Ms. Sarita Chauhan? Can we have Mrs. Sarita ma'am, the perfect chef? I believe she likes chicken tikka. She's the one. Congratulations ma'am, I'm truly honored to have you. What's your favorite dish ma'am? Chicken tikka?
I just said it for sake of it.
Chef loves all of
Yes. I really feel honored all the way choosing me from Goa to come here to take the award, and thankful to Perfect Women Awards and Khushi ma'am for the same. And this is my 20th feather in my cap. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, the perfect chef on the 5th Perfect Achievers Award 2020. This is Sarita Chauhan. I request both of you please have a award and strike a pose with a beautiful trophy in the hand. अच्छा, मुंबई का सबसे फेवरेट डिश क्या है? वड़ा पाव. किस किस को वड़ा पाव पसंद है? और बटर चिकन? और प्लीज नो चाइनीज. हाँ, यस मैम, प्लीज. थैंक यू. सो जब खाने की बात चलती है तो पीने की भी बात चलती है, राइट? तो यहाँ पे देखो मेरे ख्याल से बच्चे भी हैं, बट मैं जानना चाहूंगा कि यहाँ पे वाइन लवर्स कौन है? वाइन लवर्स, वाइन लवर्स, वाइफ लवर्स, वाइफ लवर्स. बस हंसी आ रही लड़कों की. किसी के हाथ खड़े नहीं हो रहे. मैं सर से जानना चाहूंगा, सर आप वाइफ लवर हो?
बिल्कुल है.
खुद की वाइफ की दूसरों की वाइफ?
अरे वो डिपेंड करता है.
अच्छा सर, किस चीज़ पे डिपेंड करता है?
अपनी वाली को अपना ही समझना है, दूसरी वाली को दूसरी की समझना है.
मुझे एक्चुअली लग रहा था कि अपनी वाली तो अपनी है ही और दूसरी वाली तो नहीं छोड़ेंगे सर. सर मेरी तभी शादी नहीं हो रही, आपको बता रहा हूँ मैं. सो थैंक यू. बट मैं सबको बस एक छोटा सा एक अपनी लाइफ का एक्सपीरियंस बताना चाहूँगा कि काफ़ी लोग आपकी लाइफ में आएंगे कि यार तू ये नहीं कर सकता, वो नहीं कर सकता, ये क्यों करना है, इस चीज़ में बहुत फेलियर्स मिलते हैं. आई बिलीव इफ यू थिंक डाउट you will fail, and if you think success you will definitely going to make it. So एक उसके लिए छोटा सा शेर कहना चाहूँगा अगर आप सबकी इजाजत हो तो. परवाह मत कर उनकी जो मारे तुझको ताना, परवाह मत कर उनकी जो मारे तुझको ताना, सर झुक जाएंगे सबके जब आएगा तेरा जमाना. लहरें बने तूफान और कश्ती का काम है बहना, क्योंकि कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे, लोगों का काम है कहना। शुक्रिया। So there's a next awardee, the perfect spiritual coach. I love spirituality. I am a firmly karma believer and a spiritual believer in healing. So I request this Miss Anshul here. Can we have Mod Monk Anshul ji? Wow. The spiritual coach and the awardee for the 5th Perfect Achievers Award 2020 as a perfect spiritual healer. Few words, man. And I request the perfect man is here. Okay. Sure.
Namaskar everyone. I can't see anyone, but I can surely hear. Namaskar once again. Thank you for such a lovely platform for me, and I'm Modern Control, like he very rightly said. We are mixing mournful bliss with modern lifestyle. Business psychologist हूँ, काफ़ी साल काफ़ी जगहों पर रही हूँ across the globe. 4 साल पहले I took up monkhood. हिंदी में संन्यास हम कहते हैं, सन्यासी. But at the same time, I teach in multiple areas. So we are mixing modern ज़माने में जीते जीते किस तरीके से हम अपनी ज़िंदगी में एक spiritual flavor ला सकते हैं, ये जानना, ये सीखना ज़रूरी हो जाता है. And that is why I was very blessed with gratitude कि आप लोगों जैसे कोई बहुत सुंदर लोग होंगे जिन्होंने मुझे नाम दे दिया, मैंने रख लिया Mod Monk. And I'm very grateful for that. We do a lot of work in healing, spirituality, teaching. मेरा बस इतना ही कहना है कि ज़िंदगी जी लीजिए and live in the present moment. ये लोग सब कहते हैं, काफ़ी लोग कहते हैं, पर हम लोग जीते नहीं हैं. We read a lot of WhatsApp messages, and I'm sure all of you will agree. हम WhatsApp messages पढ़ते हैं, we forward them, but we don't really live them. अगर दिन में 100 WhatsApp messages का हम आधा भी जी लेना, तो आई थिंक हमारी ज़िंदगी काफ़ी बेहतर हो जाएगी. एंड आई थिंक दैट इज़ वॉट. एंड डोंट वरी अबाउट कर्मा ऑल्सो, जस्ट वरी अबाउट प्रारब्ध. आज मैं क्या, यू नो व्हाट सीड एम आई सोइंग टुडे. इट विल naturally grow and it will naturally become very beautiful a tree. पेड़ अगर बड़ा होते आज उसको फर्टाइल करेंगे ना हम, तो उसका जब फल आएगा ना, अगर कुछ छोटे मोटे श्रब्स भी होंगे तो वो भी उसके छाव में झुक ही जाते हैं. कुछ पुराना होगा वो भी चला जाता है. अगर हम today if we fertile our land of our hearts very well. So 3 things: love, forgiveness and acceptance. 3 pillars of life. I think we need to focus on that.
Yes, ma'am. Beautiful.
And one more thing, she is one of the very, you can say, perfect tarot reader, and perfect, you can say, the way she guides for spirituality. So I believe she will definitely guide us how it's going to be for 2021 for us. Please give some light on it. It's very important for the whole year. We have been into the crisis due to pandemic. Now you have to guide us. What about 2021?
I think 2021 will be a year of more self-introspection. काफ़ी लोग बोलेंगे again, because 2020 has already been a year of self-introspection. But अभी introspection होने के बाद I think it will be a year of further introspection and really moving towards. काफ़ी लोग, unfortunately, we've gone through a lot of crisis in the year, but 2021 looks better. Financially, maybe for a lot of people, but internally, I think it is still going to be in turmoil. I do not sugarcoat things. I'll say exactly the way it is, but a lot of people have noticed that this year is going to be heavy in terms of emotional growth. But अगर रास्ता थोड़ा difficult है, but the growth, the success at the end of 2021 is going to be really fabulous. So we are on the growth cycle. I think we will get there. Please God, yes.
I would like to know what is the purpose of life. You being into the spiritual world, you've experienced lots of spiritual instance in life. So I would like to know what is the actual purpose
आपको
of life.
किस तरीके का जवाब चाहिए? आपको नॉर्मल जवाब चाहिए है जो सब लोग सुनना चाहते हैं, या आपको ऐसा जवाब चाहिए जो बहुत ही स्पिरिचुअली डीप मीनिंग हो, या आपको ऐसा जवाब चाहिए जिससे हम जिंदगी गुजार सकें?
I would like to know as per your understanding and the way you see the life.
That is why I'm saying there are three aspects to it. So if you look at the purpose of life, we are all, dwelling in the world. हम लोग जिंदगी जी रहे हैं. So I think we need to have a purpose so that we keep anchored. नहीं तो हम लोग ऐसे हवा में घूमते रहेंगे, anchored नहीं होता है इंसान. So that we have to find that again individually different. Every person comes with a blueprint of life. So everybody has like, जैसे हम स्कूल में सीखते हैं ना, major and minor subjects. So we have major and minor subjects in life. So we have to figure those out, and those are our life purposes to pass those exams. But अगर आप बहुत ही in depth spiritually अगर आप समझना चाहते हो इसी सवाल का जवाब, because every सवाल के अलग अलग तरीके के जवाब होते हैं. बहुत in depth spiritually अगर आप समझना चाहो इस सवाल का जवाब, तो इसका है that there is really no purpose. You're just living, and the whole purpose is to enjoy the human experience. हम लोग बोलते हैं मुझे spiritual experience ला दीजिए ना मैम. मैंने कहा गलत इंसान के पास आ गए. You are a spiritual being. आपको human experience कैसा दिलवाना है ये मैं देख सकती हूँ. So you're basically having a human experience, and that is what it is.
Perfect answer. That's why you are perfect spiritual. Mod mom.
Thank you.
Your answer is as mod as well, man. Mod man. Thank you. Congratulations on the perfect achievement award. Perfect spiritual course and mystic. Welcome. I'm Kiran Gulani on the stage. The superwoman of our Perfect Women team. She's also been a part of jury tonight. Kiran ma'am, it's an honor to have you and we love your smile.
Thank you so much, and I'm honored to be here. Thanks to Krishna and all the best to all.
So ma'am, tonight there's lots of award ceremonies going on for the perfect spiritual experts, perfect chef as you've seen. I think you just came right now. And tonight we also have a perfect Mrs. India 2020. We finalized 12 finalists across India on the basis of talent. And the best part of the perfect Mrs. India 2020 is we only believe and judge them on the basis of talent and confidence, irrespective of their age, irrespective of their health, irrespective of their height, irrespective of their color, irrespective of their appearance, but only on the basis of the talent, the skills, the will to win, and their confidence. So this is a great platform, ma'am.
Yes, it's indeed a great platform, and it's been so wonderful being a part of this team, and I wish all of you a very good luck, and also thank Dr. Khushi for inviting me and making me worthy of it. Thank you so much.
I request you to please be on the stage and felicitate the next awardee on the Perfect Achievers Award 2020. So the next award is for excellence in compliance and governance to Mrs. Dipti Kidur. Ladies and gentlemen, the perfect excellence in compliance and governance. Dipti ma'am. On the behalf of the mother-in-law, that is Dipti Kidur, उनकी daughter-in-law यहाँ पर है. Please welcome ma'am. Can we have the award, please?
honor to receive this award on behalf of my mother-in-law, Dipti Kittur. She has a experience in this field for more than 30 years, and she is second most experienced woman in this field. She has traveled a lot, more than 70 cities in the world. So thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am, and congratulations. Round of applause for the Dipti ma'am and the daughter-in-law lady. So this is the next awardee. So before that, I welcome Bhatnagar ma'am on the stage. She's the voice of lots of big shows, big cartoons, big characters. बच्चों की सबसे फेवरेट. Congratulations, ma'am. You are my favorite, ma'am.
Thank you. Same here. Even I like your commentary. Hi everyone. मुझे कुछ दिखाई नहीं रहा, आपकी शक्लें दिखाई नहीं दे रही हैं, बट थैंक यू मैं बोलना चाहूँगी खुशी गुरु भाई को, खुशी जी को, डॉक्टर खुशी को, गुरु भाई को, जिन्होंने मुझे फिर एक चांस दिया यहाँ स्टेज पे. ये बहुत बड़ा स्टेज है और मुझे मौका फिर मिला है कि आपसे रूबरू हो जाऊँ और अपने बारे में कुछ भी बोलने से पहले आपको कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट करना चाहती हूँ. और जैसा आप कर रहे हैं, बहुत मेहनत कर रहे हैं, तो बेस्ट विशेस from my side to you all. Thank you.
So मैम हम थोड़ा सा आपका हुनर देखना चाहेंगे. हमारी ऑडियंस को आप एंटरटेन करिए. यहाँ पे कुछ बच्चे भी हैं, वो डेफिनेटली पहचान जाएंगे कि किसकी आवाज़.
ओके, यहाँ बच्चे भी हैं और बड़े भी हैं, क्योंकि बच्चे जो अभी पैदा हुए हैं वो तो थोड़े बड़े हो गए हैं, पर यहाँ जो बहुत बड़े हैं वो 16 साल पहले बच्चे हुआ करते थे. Am I right? क्योंकि मैं 16 सालों से कार्टून कर रही हूँ, बच्चों के लिए काम कर रही हूँ, तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है. इस हिसाब से तो मुझे बुजुर्ग होना चाहिए वैसे, बट मैं नहीं हूँ. तो भी यहाँ मैं सुनाना चाहती हूँ मेरी कुछ आवाज़ें. तो मैं डोरेमोन में जो कैरेक्टर मैंने किया है वो है, आप ही बताएंगे. मैं सिर्फ 2 लाइनें सुनाती हूँ. नोबिता मेरे घर जरूर आना, अभी मत आना, कोरोना चल रहा है. मैं तुम्हारे लिए केक बना कर रखूंगी वैसे. डोरेमोन डोरेमोन प्लीज मुझे गैजेट दो ना, जिससे कोरोना चला जाए. डोरेमोन मैं तो हो गई हूँ घर में बैठे बैठे. क्यों दोस्तों, पहचान में आए कौन सा कैरेक्टर है? रेज योर हैंड जिसको पहचान में आए तो.
जिसको पहचान में वो हाथ खड़ा होकर यस बोले. प्लीज कम ऑन द स्टेज. जिसको समझ में आया कैरेक्टर प्लीज स्टेज पे आइए. मैंने कहा बच्चे देखते हैं मैम कार्टून सारे. वाह,
अरे वाह, बच्चे आ रहे हैं, बड़े भी आ रहे हैं, और आपको तो पहचान में आ ही गया होगा. बता दो सुनो नाम, कौन बोल रहा है? मैं आपके साथ खड़ी हूँ. कौन हूँ मैं? शिजुका. अरे ये शिजुका. एक आवाज और निकाल के दिखा दो. आप बताना, ठीक है, आपकी बारी है. अगर चिंचन, ये तुमने क्या किया? मेरे नोटबुक मार दे. अब मैम मुझे मारेगी नहीं, क्योंकि अब स्कूल में मारने का तो रूल खत्म हो गया. You forgot शिनचैन का दोस्त. Yes! Clap for your good name. Your good name. अनिका ने पहचान लिया शिजुका को भी और कजामा को भी. A big round of applause. Thank you. ये तालियां तालियां जोर से बननी चाहिए. तालियों का मतलब तालियां होता है. बड़े दिनों बाद प्रोग्राम में आए यार, कुछ तो क्लैपिंग
लोगों में सब तालियां हो जाएगा. थैंक यू मैम, अमेजिंग.
थैंक्स अ लॉट.
मेरे बच्चे होंगे ना, मैं उनको यही कार्टून दिखाऊंगा.
शादी तो कर पहले.
ठीक है, थैंक यू.
ये मेरी सजेशन है, जल्दी कर लेना 2021 में, क्योंकि तब तक कोरोना चला रहेगा, फिर नहीं तो बैठना पड़ेगा. अरे शादी कैसे करें, 2020 में कोरोना आ गया. कई लोग तो कहते हैं अच्छा हुआ बजट बच गया.
एक नोबिता चाहिए. नोबिता कहाँ से लाऊं?
नोबिता चाहिए आपको?
I don't know. नोबिता चाहिए.
नोबिता तो बच्चा है, कैरेक्टर है. अब तुम्हें तो कोई फीमेल
सिंड्रेला चाहिए मुझे.
हाँ, सिंड्रेला. ये बात सिंड्रेला आएगी 2021 में. जरूर आएगी।
Thank you, ma'am. So I request please be here and felicitate the next awardee.
Okay.
And we welcome you on the Perfect Achievers Award 2020 Season 5. So the next awardee is for the excellence in event management and wedding planner. Event management का एक बहुत बड़ा हाथ होता है एक छोटे से छोटे या बड़े से बड़े event को iconic बना देना. So I request Tanaz Basroor, can we have you on the stage as the perfect excellence in event management and wedding planning? You can see her? Okay. So we'll wait for that, and the next awardee. So the next awardee on the Perfect Achievers Award for the perfect successful businesswoman, that is Sherlyn Omen. So can we have Sherlyn Omen on the stage and receive the award for the Perfect Achievers Award. So on the behalf of Sherlyn, yes. On the behalf of the perfect, successful woman of the year, please be on the stage, sir. Mr. Rajesh. Mr. Akshay is on the behalf of Sherlyn, receiving the perfect, successful woman award. I request Dr. Ma'am, please felicitate the perfect businesswoman on the Perfect Achievers Award of Season 5.
Actually, I'm speechless. The award says it all. And I'd like to thank Perfect Team for such a wonderful and lovely way. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Congratulations. Enjoy the evening. So the next awardee. Yeah. So there is one person, one of my favorite persons, who also been a jury for the talent round on the Perfect Mrs. India 2020. He's a perfect advocate and also a mentor and also a great well-wisher for whole Perfect Women team, and especially for the Dr. Khushi and Guru Bhai sir. So I request Mr. Pramod Srivastava, can we have you on the stage because you are the awardee as a perfect advisor on the Perfect Achievers Award Season 5. Strong applause for this amazing young man, Mr. Pramod Srivastava.
Madam requests that I must say something for her. Okay. Madam has been a mentor and has produced India's youngest photographer, her eldest son, Arfaz. And believe me, that boy at the age of 13 was felicitated by the international body, very modest, and he has been, thank you, he has taken photographs and photo sessions of Madhuri Dixit and the lights. So I can only congratulate ma'am. She is a really inspiring lady. हम क्या mentor है? She is a mentor. And मैंने जो observe किया कि solution खोजती है बाद में, पहले problem खोजती है. And then she sees मेरा team alignment हो और वो solution निकाले. Very, very inspiring lady. I have seen a lot of industrious madams. She is unique in her own way. मैं प्रेजेंस नहीं दे रहे मैम, आपका नया इंट्रोडक्शन जो कोई दूसरा फैसेट देखा ही नहीं है.
सर मैंने भी मैम से एक चीज सीखी है. मैम हमेशा कहती है कि कभी कोई पूछे कि like I can't do it, never say this word. She always say how I can do this.
How can I do it?
And she always say if you think then you can do it.
Yes.
If you have that thought in your mind, if you can work for that, you can definitely
And
achieve
I
that.
can tell you that she has a path which will take her further. Just wait for another 5 years. And my God, in the last 5 years, what I saw and what I see today, कोविड की वजह से हम लोग अपना 2-3 प्रोग्राम नहीं कर पाए, but I'm sure next year will be even full year for her. I wish you all the best, ma'am.
Actually, these are people have been praising me. Kindly ignore. This is right now. This is not the situation right now. For us is to felicitate them, not me.
Yes.
So here I welcome.
So this is the awards for Mr. Pramod Srivastava.
In excellently.
Perfect Achievers Award. And for perfect advisor. Excellence in Event Management and Wedding Planner. Can we have Mrs. Tanaz Masroor? Can we have this Tanaz man on the stage? She's been a recipient for the Perfect Achiever Award. She's been in the event industry and the wedding planning industry. And the Perfect Women team on Perfect Achievers Award acknowledge the remarkable contribution in the event industry by Tanaz Masroor ma'am. Congratulations ma'am. You're looking beautiful ma'am. Congratulations. Few words please.
Thank you very much, Geet and the Team Perfect Achievers Award for bestowing this award on me. I'm glad that my work has been recognized. I'd like to wish all my co-winners here also a hearty congratulations. And it's been a long journey for me, about 39 plus years, and a lot of hard work gone in, a lot of learnings, a lot of achievements, small achievements. And I'm happy the way I am, because every work that I did made me stronger and a better person than I am. Thank you very much.
Next year she's going to plan for me.
So this is an award.
Started my career about 40 years ago with the Times of India as an admin person, as an admin officer. And then because of the in-house functions in the Times of India, we were pulled out. There were no event managers, there were no event companies. So we were pulled out from the admin department to do events. And that's how I started, that's how I realized that I'm made for doing events. So we did all the in-house film fairs, seminars, all the in-house Times of India functions. And then slowly moved on to different organizations. Again, they all pulled me into the events field itself. So it went on, yes, so I eat, sleep, breathe events. And over a period of time, I got into wedding planning. When wedding planning just, became to be so large as it is today. There is no more that simple procedure today. A 5-day wedding must happen, whoever it is. So that gives us work. And wedding planning again is meticulous. It's more personal. You're with the family. You become one amongst them. So whatever you do, you have to do with passion. And they can see the passion in your eyes. At least they say, they see the passion in my eyes. And most of the jobs I take on, I become family. And then it continues from, you are there, continuous event planner and wedding planner. I also wrote, and one of them I have written the first book on event management in India, which all my students use. I teach events now and wedding planning at various institutes. So my students have my book. I'm writing the second one. And apart from that, I am a yoga instructor. I take yoga classes in the morning. Thank you. And I try to keep myself up and about, healthy. Even during COVID times, I learned a lot. I learned that it's not necessary to have everything. I learned that it is important that you're alive in the first place, looking at the others. When you look at the problems the others have, you feel you are blessed and you are safe. I did go through COVID. I did go through that, terrible, because I'm a diabetic, but yet I came out shining. So thank the Lord for that.
It's truly honored to have
Thank you so much.
It's truly honored to have you, and congratulations on the Perfect Achiever Award, Mrs. Tanaz, man. Ravishing, beautiful lady, looking amazing in this amazing outfit and amazing shopping. I request Shruti Jain again on the stage. Shruti Jain. Ma'am, she was the winner of Perfect Miss of India 2019. She was the crown holder.
एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. Congratulations.
श्रुति मैम, आप ये बताइए अपनी हॉबीज के बारे में, और आपने क्या प्रिपरेशन की थी जो 4-5 महीने का एक सिनेरियो था इस कॉन्टेस्ट से पहले?
First of all, my hobbies are to making a new friends, try adventurous thing, and always try new things in the life, like taking risk. So मैं बेसिकली मैं हिंदी में बोलूँगी, मैं आर्किटेक्चर स्टूडेंट हूँ और कभी मेरी फैमिली ने मुझे सपोर्ट नहीं किया फिल्म इंडस्ट्री, ये फैशन मॉडलिंग कभी नहीं किया. देन आई बिलोंग फ्रॉम जलगांव, जहाँ पर मेरे जैसी बहुत लड़कियाँ हैं जो यहाँ पर आना चाहती है, स्टेज पे आना चाहती है, बट उनके फैमिली वाले सपोर्ट नहीं करते हैं. तो मैंने सोचा कि जब मैं मुंबई पढ़ने जाऊँगी आफ्टर 12th, तो मैं अपना करियर अपने खुद से स्टार्ट करूँगी. तो मैंने एक नॉर्मल पोर्टफोलियो शूट किया मेरे फ्रेंड की मदद से, एंड मैंने कुछ कंपनीज़ में सेंड किया और ब्रांड्स में सेंड किया. तो मुझे छोटी मोटी अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ मिली पोर्टफोलियो से, बट मुझे कुछ बड़ा करना था. तो मैंने ब्लैक फैशन शो था, इट वॉज इन 2019 ऑफ अगस्त. तो मैंने उसमें पार्टिसिपेट किया और मुझे उसमें रनर अप मिला. तो मुझे कॉन्फिडेंस आया कि मैं आगे और कुछ कर सकती हूँ. तो मुझे ये परफेक्ट मिस का शो मिला था इंस्टाग्राम से, एंड आई पार्टिसिपेटेड इन इट. तो मुझे लगा था मैं तो नहीं जीतूंगी, बट मुझे अपना कॉन्फिडेंस बूस्टअप करना था, तो इसलिए मैंने उसमें पार्टिसिपेट किया. फिर मैंने पेरेंट्स को बताया कि मुझे सिलेक्शन हो गया है, मुझे पार्टिसिपेट करना है. तो उन्होंने मुझे सपोर्ट सिर्फ इसलिए किया बिकॉज मैंने आर्किटेक्चर के 3 years ऑलरेडी कंप्लीट कर लिए थे अपने. तो फिर उन्होंने बोला कि ठीक है कर लो। और बाय अभी जर्नी के बारे में बताऊँ तो बहुत ही अच्छी थी। मेरे साथ और भी लड़कियाँ थी, लाइक हम लोग 15 लड़कियाँ थी और काफ़ी टफ कंपटीशन थी, टैलेंट राउंड और पार्टनर राउंड। और पार्टनर राउंड में तो मेरी मम्मा ने मुझे बहुत हेल्प किया था, लाइक हम लोगों ने ट्रेनिंग किया था साथ में। और जर्नी तो बहुत ही अच्छी थी। गीत मैम ने हमको पूरा गाइड किया था, पूरा ट्रेन किया था, हाउ टू वॉक एंड इवन योगा सेशन हुआ था, ट्रायल्स हुआ था ड्रेसिंग का एंड ऑल। मेकअप भी बहुत अच्छा प्रोवाइड किया गया था। तो और मैंने ये क्राउन जीता जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ माई टैलेंट। मैं पोइट्री भी लिखती थी, अब थोड़ा सा मैंने किया बिकॉज आई एम इन फाइनल ईयर ऑफ आर्किटेक्चर, दैट्स वाई। तो मैंने मेरी जर्नी की पोयम सुनाई थी उस टाइम पे, तो आई थिंक वो मेरा टैलेंट बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा था, तो उस वजह से मुझे मिला है ये क्राउन एंड दैट्स इट। थैंक यू।
Thank you, congratulations. I firmly believe that you can't give up on your dreams because this is your life and you live only once. And you have all the rights to have a dream. And this is your responsibility to fulfill that dream. So, and you have seen the dream and you fulfill it.
I'm living the life of my dreams now.
And we love that the Perfect Women team has changed your life and gave you this kind of platform to showcase your talent. The Perfect Women team always believe to find a new talent, hunt them, promote them, nourish them, and let them showcase their talent in the front of all media and India. Thank you so much. So tonight we have another award, our favorite Parul ma'am for the Parul Bhatnagar as a Perfect Achiever Award. Can we have the award for the Parul Bhatnagar, the best voice over? She's been the voice for lots of time. And then for the Release Award. Again over to you.
Thank you, Perfect Women. Thank you, Khushi Bhai. Thank you, Dr. Khushi. Thank you, Guru Khushi Bhai. ये अवार्ड मेरे लिए बहुत मायने रखता है क्योंकि हर बार मैं आ रही थी, मैं देख रही थी, प्रोग्राम देख रही थी, फंक्शन देख रही थी, आप सबको मेहनत करते हुए, और मुझे जो इतना रिस्पेक्ट मिला यहाँ पर आके। मैं एक पर्दे के पीछे की कलाकार हूँ, तो शायद ही आप लोग मुझे देख पाते होंगे क्योंकि सिर्फ मेरी आवाज़ तो बहुत लोगों तक जाती है, सब सुनते ही हैं, बट 16 सालों से मैं आवाज़ दे रही हूँ, पर मेरी आवाज़ के पीछे कौन है ये स्टेज ही बताता है। तो मुझे ये स्टेज मिला, ये मेरे लिए बड़ी बात है। एक बार फिर से मैं शुक्रिया अदा करूँगी आप सभी का, आपके प्यार का, डॉक्टर खुशी का, गुरु भाई का, आप सभी का। थैंक यू गॉड, थैंक्स अ लॉट, थैंक यू एवरीवन, थैंक यू।
Congratulations, ma'am. Being a recipient for the Perfect Achiever Award Season 5. Thank you, ma'am. Please have a seat.